Hello everybody, it's Sandy here from Cessnock City Library on this glorious spring morning. And this morning I'm going to share a couple of rhymes and a song about gardening with you. But before we do that, let's do our acknowledgement of country on this gorgeous morning. You ready? Here is the land and here is the sky. Here are my friends and here am I. We thank the Wanneroo people for the land on which we learn and play. Thanks everybody. So here's the first rhyme. You might know this one if you've come along to any baby rhyme time sessions at Curry or Cessnock Library. It's called 5 Fat Peas. So we start with a closed fist like that. There we go. 5 fat peas in a pea pod pressed. 1 grew, 2 grew, and so did all the rest. They grew and they grew and they did not stop. They grew and they grew till the pod went pop. Okay, so the second one, you're going to plant some seeds. And here's your garden. So you hold out one hand like that. It's called This is my garden. This is my garden. I'll rake it with care. Oh, careful not to tickle. And then some flower seeds I'll plant there. The sun will shine and the rain will fall. And my garden will blossom and grow straight and tall. Okay, so let's finish off with a song. You might know this song. It's called The Garden Song. It goes like this. Inch by inch, row by row, gonna make this garden grow. All it takes is a rake and a hoe and a piece of fertile ground. Inch by inch, row by row, someone bless these seeds I sow. Someone warm them from below till the rain comes tumbling down. Okay. Lovely to see you all again this morning, and I'll see you soon. Bye.